morning, students. How are you all? Fine. Okay. I hope you all are preparing for your exams. It is from 6th and your first paper is English. So, one topic I want to revise with you, that is punctuation. You already know about punctuation from class 4th. It means we have to use the few signs like commas, full stop, question marks that indicates which type of sentence it is. Okay. Full stop means the sentence ends with full stop. And every sentence should start with capital letter. है ना? And commas to break the sentence, to take a pause. Now few new things we will introduce like colon, semicolon or inverted commas. Okay. So I am going to read about punctuation. Then we will do the book exercises also. Now what is the punctuation? Punctuation is the use of various signs or marks in written language to bring clarity to the meaning of a sentence or a passage. We use full stop, a question mark, exclamation mark at the end of sentence. This you know from class 4th also. Like dolphins are intelligent animals. This is simple statement, so we will put a full stop. Now, are dolphins intelligent animals? Now you are asking question. So it will end with question mark. How intelligent dolphins are? Now you are showing the expressions. So exclamatory sign will come. Now new thing is a comma is used to separate word or phrases in a sentence. After introductory word also we use comma like yes, I will come. So put commas in sentence after the yes. Oh, no, well. Sometimes we break the sentence and give pause by commas. Like if we are explaining about two or three things, then also we put commas to separate them. Like we ate pizzas, comma, sandwiches, comma, chips and pastries at the party. So by comma we have separated them. 20 students, 30 teachers, 2 helpers. So by putting commas we are separating. And in the last part we use and. First we put commas for 2-3 numbers and then in the end we put and. Yes, that is Bobby's younger brother. So now I hope you understood the use of comma. Now one more is apostrophe. जैसे आप हिंदी में बोलते हो ना, यह किसका है, ये मेरा है या रमन का है, तो वी से रमन ऊपर कॉमा लगता है, नॉट नीचे. रमन ऊपर कॉमा एस मीन्स इट इंडिकेट्स रमन का. ठीक है. तो फॉर इंग्लिश वी यूज apostrophe. We just put a comma on upstairs. Like शहनाज बुटीक, तो शहना का बुटीक. कई बार शॉर्ट फॉर्म के लिए भी हम apostrophe यूज करते हैं. आई एंड विल, तो आई के पार्ट वी पुट कॉमास एंड डबल एल, तो आई विल. फॉर शॉर्ट फॉर्म एंड पोजीशन हम दिखाते हैं कि किसका है. ठीक है. सो वी पुट apostrophe. Now when we give the quotation while writing paragraph or this, so we use quotation marks. So quotation mark means whenever your quotation starts comma and ends with comma. So to highlight we use quotation marks. And capital letters I already told you, starting alphabet should be capital and proper noun should be capital always. Okay. And I if it comes in between or anywhere, it should be capital always. It is the rule for English grammar. Now based on these rules we are doing exercises. Sentences are given and it is a long sentence, so I will send you the pics. I have separated them through commas and semicolons and all. Okay? So I will send you pics so that you can complete your book exercises. Now new thing is colon. Colon means you have seen 2 dots. Sometimes we give the question fill in the blanks and put colon. So it is a type of colon. Semicolon is just for separating the 2 sentences and parts of sentences. The colon is used to introduce a list, an explanation a quote or definition. It is used for separating them. Like the examiners were asked to bring 3 pencils, so put semicolon, a pencil, a razor. आप भी जब आप सेपरेट करते हैं तो you put semicolon and then separate the things. This you will understood by doing exercises. है ना? Now when we write time 11 semicolon 30, so it is used very little, but it is used to separate the sentences. Now semicolon is also the same thing. We use two independent sentences are given. Like it is a pleasant outside. It is a separate sentence. Now I will go for a walk. इन दोनों को separate, two independent sentences को separate करने के लिए we use semicolon. We write in the same sentence but we separate by semicolon. ठीक है? So on the basis of this, we will do exercises of page number 87. Insert colons at suitable places in the following sentence. So it is not possible to speak. So this you can do through book exercises. I am sending you pic also. This you complete exercises by seeing the picture of my image, because it is not possible to explain orally. Now again question number D. Punctuate the sentences using commas, quotations, colons, and now two long sentences are given. Now you have to use all the parts and punctuate the sentences. This again not possible. I will send you the pic and you will complete your notebook. It is of page, to page number 88. I hope you have understood the topic punctuation. It is very simple, but you will understand more by doing exercises. ठीक है? I will send you one practice sheet also based on this so that you can understand punctuation. Have a nice day and all the best for your coming exam.